Excel ribbon and their commands.
Now I'm zooming it. Now I'm selecting the heading, the column up to customer ID, then selecting down up to 25, then I'm giving the print area, set to print area. Now I'm going to print. You can see the area we set are only shown in this print preview. Now I'm clearing this print area. Clear print area. Again I'm selecting another area. Example, customer name to region. Up to 24 row. Print area, set print area, then file, print. You can say up to region and up to 24. Only these letters are shown, and in printout we can only print this data only, and below we can see the shown only one page is shown. We cannot print other pages because the print area is set. Now I am clearing this print area, clear print area. Okay, again I am going to print. Okay, all data are shown, all pages are shown. By this way, we can select any area of the sheet for printing. Now I am showing the use of page break. We can give a conditional page break into our page. Example, before giving this break, check the current setup. Example, for size, this legal, and file, print. Now the page size is up to 59. Okay, I want to give the page break in row 40. Go to 40. Position the cursor there. Then giving the page break. Insert page break. Okay, page break is now shown. It is set here. Page break mark is, we can see this page break by reducing the page zoom size. Okay, we can see the page break mark. Then we are going to file, print. Okay, we can see a page break is given. I am checking in printout. Okay, we can see 37, YD 37. The balance is gone to next pages. Now I am cancelling. this page break, position cursor below the mark, below the page break mark, break, remove page break, it is gone. Now again checking the page, you can see the more data. Now I'm giving the page break vertically, means column wise. For this I'm setting cursor, I position the cursor into the first row. Example, I'm setting cursor pointer to row number 1 at cell number E1. This column is a and this is a fifth column. I am giving the break. Okay, page break is marked left of the column. So 4 columns are shown in printout. Example, print. Okay, 4 columns are shown. Next columns are gone to next pages. Now I am cancelling this page break. Remove page break. It is gone. Again I am setting the page break in third column. I am setting this page break by using the first row. Break, insert page break. Okay, it is marked. Then we can see that in printout 2 columns are already shown and other columns are go to next pages. Again releasing this page break, set the cursor pointer to the right of the page break, remove page